around your home are different. But with one powerful interchangeable battery system, you can tackle them your way. With the right tool and plenty of power at hand. Use the interchangeable battery system for convenience and savings. Whether it's a labor of love, your pursuit of perfection, or just something to get done so the fun can begin. One system, endless tasks. With the Black & Decker 20-volt max system, you have power for your style.
Introducing the TR Industrial Demolition Jackhammer. Nothing compares when you're looking for power, features, and safety in a jackhammer. Serious power tools deserve serious safety precautions. That's why every TR Industrial jackhammer is ETL listed by Intertek, recognized by OSHA as an elite trusted authority for safety testing. It comes with a 6.5-foot cable and a double insulated plug. Double insulation is a safety measure designed to virtually eliminate any danger resulting from voltage becoming exposed. It has been shown to protect users from electrical shock even better than 3-pin plugs. Weighing in at 32 pounds, this jackhammer pumps out 1,800 blows per minute and 45 impact joules. The 360-degree swivel auxiliary handle can be rotated and locked in at whatever point you desire. Both handles have an ergonomic grip, reducing strain when working for long periods of time. Installing the bit is as easy as slipping the bit into the jackhammer slot and locking it into place. To activate continuous operation on a specific area, simply hold down the trigger and press the lock button. Press the trigger again to release the lock. Our base model, TR89105, comes with everything you need to get started, including a hex-pointed chisel, a flat chisel, safety goggles, an extra pair of carbon brushes, and suede work gloves. Our alternate model, TR89100, includes all the same components plus a shovel spade for working with adobe, sandstone, and rock-hard soil. Beyond making the highest quality, safest jackhammer possible, TR Industrial also includes a 1-year warranty to protect against manufacturer defects, so you can rest assured knowing you're protected.
The Bosch 18-volt lithium-ion compact tough hammer drill driver. The most compact, lightest weight available. 600 inch-pounds of max torque, high-performance motor. New patented gear train and clutch. 2-speed drill plus hammer drill mode. Durable ergonomic compact design. Half-inch keyless auto lock chuck with 18+1 clutch settings. New Bosch Coolpack batteries are designed to reduce heat buildup. These high-efficient battery packs stay cooler and live longer, featuring an integrated fuel gauge and superior cold weather performance. Slim pack for lightweight, or fat pack for maximum runtime. Every battery works with every tool. Power to get it done. Tough as nails. Never lets you down. The 18-volt lithium-ion compact tough hammer drill driver.
Bosch, invented for life.
Power tools, I look for something compact, light, durable. I mean, when I first looked at it, just noticed how slim it was. You know, our bags are 30 to 35 pounds and we're wearing them all day. So the lighter, the better, and this is definitely significantly lighter. But it's very maneuverable, it's very sturdy, more compact, so I'd be able to get it in tighter spaces. It felt great. I mean, it felt like it could handle any job I have.
Weight is very important, working overhead, constantly having my hands in the air. After using the Makita, it's definitely a lot lighter than the tools I'm currently using. Same power, I could use it all day.
The compatibility from one battery charger to multiple tools is huge. If I can have one battery for my drill and my impact, it's less things that I have to carry. I can keep everything from my drill, my impact, my circular saw, a light, all on one battery. I don't have to get up, I don't have to stop and change batteries. The shorter the charge time, the more I can stay busy. I would totally recommend the subcompact to my electrician friends and people I know in other trades. It's less weight to carry all day, you get the power that you need, and it lasts.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.